SSS Triangle Calculator Program. The first step to coding an SSS Triangle program on your TI-84 calculator is to allow for all of the known information to be inputted into the program. After beginning a new program and naming it SSS, I clicked the Program button on my calculator and went to the I/O section and scrolled down to the option that said Input and pressed Enter. After this, I used second alpha to type in one of the three known values in quotations, which for an SSS triangle would be side A, side B, and side C. After this, I used a comma and typed the name of each of these inputs' corresponding letter. After this, the calculations begin. When solving an SSS triangle, in order to find one of the angles, the law of cosines is used. In the calculator coding, I began with solving for angle A. I wrote the inverse cosine of b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2 times b times c is equal to angle A. After this, I stored the function as the letter d for future purposes. I used the law of cosines again in the same process to solve for angle B and stored it under E. In order to find the last angle, I wrote that 180 minus the sum of angle A and B will equal to angle C. I stored this under F. Now that I have all of my angles and sides, the last calculation is the area of the triangle. The formula I used for the area of the triangle was 1/2 times side A times side C times the sine of angle B. I stored this under G. The last step of the SSS calculator program is to display all of the answers for the calculations done. In order to do this, I pressed my program button and once again scrolled to the I-O section and scrolled down to the display option. I then, in quotations, wrote what the program solved, which for the SSS case was angle A, angle B, angle C, and the area of the triangle. After each quotation, I made sure to use a comma and write the corresponding letter I stored each answer as. Now that we've finished our calculator program, it's time to test if it works. Exit the editing screen and then click on the Program button and scroll down to the SSS program we just created. Input numbers of an SSS triangle and press Enter and watch the calculator computate the answers for you. Thanks for watching!